Good morning, students. Class 8. Today, I hope you are ready with your pen and copy as I am going to teach you English writing in formal letter. I hope you are ready to understand the format first. Take care here. Point first, as you start your letter writing, you have to take care that first of all you have to write sender's address. What you have to write? Sender's address. At the time to write it, you have to write different parts of address in different lines. Suppose that A13 लाजपत नगर नोएडा न्यू दिल्ली. Means here is a place. You can write here, but it is not a process to write comma after one information. So all the informations of an address should be written in a different line without using any comma. Second point of your letter is date. But way of writing date, just like 23rd 5 2020 or 23rd 5 2020, these are not applicable. 23rd May 2020, this is correct format to write date. So at the time to write date, follow literal way to write date 23rd May 2020. After date, third point you have to take care, salutation. And salutation should be written in this way: dear father, mother, friend, uncle, aunt, etc. You have to be careful here to write first letter in capital. If you write dear father in this way, if you write a small f, then it is wrong, because you are going to tell anything, you are going to salute to your personal father by putting capital F. This one has become proper. So you have to take care at the time to write salutation that the first letter of father, mother, friend, uncle, aunt, anyone must be capital to make particularize the person. After that, after salutation, fourth point of your letter is called the body of the letter. Body of the letter. Just care here, there are two parts of it. There are two parts of body. Part first, you have to write sentences of well-being. Sentences of well-being with the words to draw attention to the reader whatever you are going to write. You are going to write. And the second part, conclusion of the letter with the words to be see of. Just you will get its quotation. After that, fourth point, you have to write subscription as yours loving, and at last write down name who writes the letter. Now, by taking this help, you can write your informal letter. One, I do for you. Just you have seen here address. First of all, you have to write A13 Lajpat Nagar, Noida, New Delhi. Write down date by leaving one line, 23rd May 2020. Now write down dear friend. Now, being well, I hope that you will also be happy with all the members of your family by the grace of God. In the present letter, I am going to tell that. Dear student, this very quotation you can use for any letter. Use for any letter. And after that, write down here sentences of needful sentences about the letter. Then second part, write down please convey my Best regards to the elders and love to the youngers. Some more in the next letter. Yours loving. Write down here whatever your name it is. Ajit Kumar. In this way, first of all, you have to keep in your mind, my dear students, that here address should be written. After address, date is written. After date, write down here salutation. After salutation, the quotation of the body you may write for anyone at the time to write in formal letter. Then need full sentence about the letter you have to write. Then this is the departing sentences. Closing, it is called closing part of the letter, and then at last write down subscription. In this way you may write your letter. This is the way for informal. As your time is going to be over, take care and follow the format to write informal letter. Thank you.